A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Today we are going to be teaching you how to use who, what, when, and which in Shona. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started with today's lesson. Who? Who? Ani. Ani. Who are you? Ndiwe ani. Ndiwe ani. Who is this? Ndiani uyu. Ndiani uyu. Who are they? Ndivanani. Ndivanani. Who is coming? Ndiani ari kuuya. Ndiani ari kuuya. What? Chi. Chi. What is this? Chi ichi. Chi ichi. What happened? Chi chaitika. Chi chaitika. What is going on? Chi chiri kuitika. Chi chiri kuitika. Where? Kupi. Pai. Mui. Where can be used in three different ways. It's kupi when you are referring to a place, as in a place like somewhere else, like Harare, a city, a country. Kupi. Then pai, it's a place but referring to on top of something, like pai, on top of something. Then mui means inside something, in something. Where are my car keys? Maki emota yangu ari pai. Maki emota yangu ari pai. Where can I sit? Ndingagareo pai. Ndingagareo pai. Where is the hospital? Chipatara chiripi. Chipatara chiripi. Where is my friend? Shamwari yangu iripi. Shamwari yangu iripi. Where is she? Aripi. Aripi. Where are they? Varipi. Varipi. Which? Chipi or zipi or ipi. Chipi refers to an item but not a living item. Zipi, it's usually plural. Ep, it usually refers to living things. Which one? Chipi chacho or zipi zacho. Chipi chacho or zipi zacho. Here it's usually in singular and zipi zacho is usually in plural. Which group arrived first? Chikwata chipi chatanga kusika. chikwata chipi chatanga kusvika? Which pet is better? Ndechipi chipfuyo chiri nani? Ndechipi chipfuyo chiri nani? Thank you very much for joining us on today's lesson, where we were teaching you how to use simple words that you can use to construct sentences, usually questions, so that you guys can be better and fluent with your loved ones as you are speaking in Shona. Let's meet on the next